What up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is something a little bit different. Today is going to be all about self-tanning, and then I will also do a bit of a get ready with me. So, I have got a few amazing products from Bali Body. So, I have the self-tanning mousse from Bali Body, and this one is in the shade dark. And I also have the face water. So, this is the tanning face water. So, that's what I'm using today to get my tan that I have at the moment. Now, I have been stuck inside for a few months, so I have lost all my natural tan. So for the moment, until I get it back, these babies are what I'm going to be using. Okay, so with the Bali Body tanning mousse, this is streak free. What it says on the back here is achieve a flawless, natural looking tan with our easy to apply, fast drying, lightweight tinted tanning mousse. No self-tan smell, which is definitely true. It smells so nice. It actually smells really fresh. There's no gross, like, I call it a corn chip smell. I don't know why, but it smells like when you open a packet of Doritos. Like, that's what I feel like that tanning smell smells like. Formulated with a color guide technology to tailor your design tan to your skin tone. Enriched with nourishing oils for smooth, hydrated and bronzed skin every time. Say hello to glowing summer skin year round. Which is definitely, I find, it is not too orange, which is amazing. And it is really a nice subtle tan that you can build up. So if you wanted to, just get that nice little bit of really subtle glow that no one would know that you had a fake tan. This is amazing, and then you can layer it as well. So I did a second layer and it worked really, really well. So with these ones, you can leave it up to an hour or you can leave it for like 4 to 8. I just slept overnight in it. That's what I do with most of my tans. The one thing I did love with this is the fact that I put it on, it dried really fast, and then I could put my clothes on and go out and not look like a weirdo, like a little Oompa Loompa. So you definitely can't tell that you're wearing a fake tan that you haven't washed off. So I was still marinating in that one. And the face tanning water. So this is such a good idea because I never put self-tanners on my face. I want to keep that area as fresh and free as possible of anything. So I did like the idea of a tanning water being a little bit more lightweight and a little bit better for the face. So on the back it says, a gradual self-tanning water, achieve a flawless, natural looking tan with our easy to apply, fast drying and super hydrating tan water. Okay, boss, you might have a little itch over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's just here. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, he's gonna sit underneath the desk now. Alright, so going back to this. So, this is designed for the face, neck and décolletage. The BB face water develops within 4 to 6 hours and enriched with nourishing oils, anti-aging benefits such as jojoba oil and sodium hyaluronic. Look, we're not going to pronounce that one. Contains rose water for a fresh pick-me-up scent. So with this one you can use weekly. So you can use this all the time, like 2 to 3 times a week. Obviously with cleansing your skin, toning, everything like that, you're definitely going to wear away at it. So this one you can sort of reapply during the week, and that way you can keep it nice and maintained, and you can just keep that glow for as long as you want, which is awesome. I am in love with these. I also have a few other goodies that I've used to just do my makeup today. This is just like a natural no makeup look. So I've got a few other goodies for you guys to see as well. But if you want to see how I did my fake tanning routine and how I just did my makeup, get ready with me, then keep on watching. Mwah. Alright, so I've just had a shower and I've just exfoliated my whole body so it's nice and prepped, ready for the self-tanner. Now, the first thing that I do before I put the tan on is I do moisturize certain parts of my body. So the areas that tend to be a little bit more dry, that's where the self-tanner sort of clings a little bit more than you really want it to, so it can look sort of patchy or a bit dark or a bit orange. So those areas are my hands, my feet, my knees and my elbows, just because they're the sort of drier, more rough skin areas. And the moisturizer I like to use is my Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and pop it on my hands, on my elbows. So just make sure I get that all in between my fingers. And now I'm going to grab my Bali Body self-tanning mousse. This one is in the shade dark. So it is a really good bottle. You get 200 mils in here, which is awesome. I think that's sort of the standard that you get, which is good because I do find there's a couple of other brands that are a little bit smaller, and I find I go through them after like 2 applications and I'm like, what? And I'm just going to pop that on my tanning mitt. So I've given it a good shake, pop a couple of pumps. on here, and I'm just going to start popping it on my chest. Oh, it smells really nice. It doesn't have that sort of fake coconutty smell like a lot. It smells like really fresh. I actually really like that. Pop a bit more. And I'm going to pop this down my arms in sort of circular motions, just making sure there's no sort of streaks or anything like that. Getting under here. My little bare patch where I don't have a tattoo yet. I'm dying to get one there, but I still have no idea what I want to put to finish my sleeve off. I'm just going to pop a bit up the neck. I can't get over how good this smells. It smells really nice. Now I'm going to swap hands and do the other side. And just going to do the other side. Alright, so before I do the rest of my body, I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to grab the face tanning water. It says the best way to do this is to pop it on a cotton pad, but what I like to do if I'm going to put any sort of self tanner on my face is use a kabuki brush. So this is just a Morphe E31, so it's just a big buffing foundation brush. And I'm just going to take the water, pop it directly on the brush. So I'm putting a decent amount on there. And I'm just going to start buffing it into my skin. Being that it is sort of a clear water, you can't really see where you're going, but as long as you cover everywhere, you're golden, literally. I'm going to get my ears and get in behind my ears as well. And bring it down the neck, but you just want everything nice and blended and even. And I really like to get it buffed into the hairline as well, just so you don't have any sort of bald spots. Alright, so now I'm going to fake tan the rest of my body, and I'm not going to do that on camera, but after that I'm going to leave it on for about 8 hours. You can do just your normal 1 hour as well, which works really well, but I want a really nice deep tan. So I'm going to leave this on for 8 hours, and then I'm going to wash it off, and then I'll come back and you can see how it goes. Okay, so I slept with the tan on and rinsed it off this morning, and then I've just gotten back from a hair appointment. As you can tell, I went to Trends and they gave me an amazing Olaplex treatment, and I got a bit of a trim and also a toner. So it's like all of that yucky blonde has gone. I'm really happy with it. The girls at Trends are amazing. So this is the tan after I've washed it off and left it on all night. I definitely find it's really nice and subtle and a nice bronzy glow. It's not too orange, which is good. It doesn't have an awful smell like some tanners do as well, but I definitely do like the outcome of this. I find it's really good. I did wash off the face water very early, so I didn't want my face to get too tanned. I always like to just keep it nice and free of anything, and then I can put something else over the top, whether it's a BB cream or a foundation to match my body, but I usually like to keep my face nice and free just so I break out. I break out with everything. Someone can sneeze and I break out. My skin is so sensitive. I haven't had any issues with this water, which is amazing. So it's definitely going to be one of my go-tos, but I just didn't want to risk it. So I definitely made sure that I kept it on for a little bit just so it still had a little bit of a like subtle effect, but I did wash it off before I washed the rest of the tan off. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to use a couple more Bali body products to get ready right now. I'm just going to the shops and I just want to put a little bit of something, just, you know, like a no makeup look. So what I'm going to start with is going to be the Bali Body BB cream. This one is in the shade tan, and this one is just a BB cream. It's an SPF 15 as well, which is really, really good. So it says on the back that it is a multitasking beauty cream that combines hydrating skincare benefits to protect, correct, and perfect the skin while providing flawless coverage. I have been using this for a few days and I do really like it for a really nice, subtle, just evening everything out, just making my complexion look a little bit better. So I do love this. Now what you can do is you can apply this with your fingers. I am someone who is just a stickler for like a beauty blender or a blending brush, just because I find my fingers, it's easier with a brush. That's how I prefer it, but you can definitely use your fingers with this one. So I'm just gonna grab my Urban Decay optical blurring brush. This is an old one. They do have a new packaging for it, but I have had this forever and it's like my ride or die. Like it's probably Probably time to retire it, but she still goes strong. So I'm just gonna pop my hair behind my ears because I cannot find my headband anywhere. So I'm just gonna pop a small amount of this on my hand. Pop the brush in it. And just start buffing it into the skin. So I start super light in the areas where I feel like I need the most coverage. I'll build up a little bit more. Feels a bit weird not having my usual backdrop, like, which is just like a big sheet that I bring up with a big stand for it. And I don't know whether I love it. I think I'm kind of vibing it. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys like it without the backdrop and just my beauty room, which is pretty much just a second bedroom for me because I have like my clothes and stuff in there. But if you prefer it like this, then I might just keep it this way and not go to the effort of putting this big backdrop up, which is a nightmare every time I have to set it up. So I'm really working it into the skin because I want it to look like skin. I don't want it to look like a foundation or anything. I want it to look like I'm not wearing anything. So this color is slightly darker than my face, but it will match my body and then everything will even out, which is what I prefer to do. Alright, so that's the BB cream. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes with my Tarte Lash Curler and put a bit of mascara on. And I love my favorite mascara, the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, my ride or die. And for the final touch for my face, I'm just going to grab the Bali Body Coconut Lip Balm. This one also has an SPF of 15, which is awesome because I find my lips get sunburnt in the sun. Like, I definitely notice. I've had, like, you know, my face has gotten sunburnt and I've noticed my lips have before as well. And this stuff smells amazing. Oh my god. The nicest lip balm, oh my god. I think this is going to be my new favorite lip balm. It is so nice, super hydrating as well, and it smells yummy. Alright, and last but not least, what I want to do for the finishing touch is pick up the Bali Body Shimmer Body Oil. So what this is like a nice bronzing oil that keeps your skin super hydrated, but also has a nice shimmer to it. So it gives your skin that nice subtle glow, which is amazing. We can never say no to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a really good shake. And then I'm just going to take a small amount on my hands and start rubbing it in. Just flip that one over there. Probably should have kept the strapless bra on for this, but it's okay. Pop some down my arms. I love the look of this over my tattoos. It just like really enhances everything and just makes them look so good. So now that that's all rubbed in, I'm going to leave it sort of dry for a few minutes before I get changed. But it is amazing. Feels so hydrating on my skin. It isn't a tanning oil, so it's not a tanning oil that you would go into the sun with and try and get a natural tan. It's like an added on to your tanning mousse. So it's like a really nice topper that will wash off when you have a shower, but it gives that extra little boost, bit of subtle glow, and it's really hydrating. So pairing it with the tanning mousse is awesome because it's it's going to keep the longevity of it because your skin's going to be nice and hydrated. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely a little bit of something different, but I am obsessed with the Bali body products, so I was so happy to do a video like this. It was so much fun and definitely going to be, I've found like a few of my favorites that are going to be something that I use quite regularly, especially this lip balm. I cannot get over it. It is so good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you do like these kind of videos, pop some comments down below as well so I know. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!